This is Bhavya from DLT Tech, and today we'll be looking at the download center module of our ERP system. So let's quickly navigate to it. So here we can see we have the download center module. And when we click on it, we have these submodules under it. So this particular module is useful in sharing any sort of content with the students, teachers, or anybody that is logged into the ERP system. So since we are already having the online classes module or features that help students to study online, it's important that we also have a feature which helps the teachers or the school to share some study related content, any study materials, etc. through the ERP software as well, such as any video or such content which might help them in their revision of studies. So firstly we have this video tutorial submodule where we can select the class and section in order to see the records of all the videos that have been shared with a particular class. And you also get to search the video by its title. And if you wish to upload any video, you can enter the class for whom the video is meant for, the class and section. It can be specified here. The title of the video along with the link and a description if required. And you can save it so that it gets uploaded on the system. We also have content type submodule. So this particular module will help us to determine the different sort of categories of content that the school might be uploading. So as we can see, we already have an example over here. So similarly, we can enter the different categories. So there could be videos related to science, to maths, to English, etc. So you can simply enter the name of the category, a brief description if required, and save it so that we have all the categories and the content types ready. So we know what all sort of content is being uploaded and which category or which type does it fall under. Then we have the content share list. So over here we'll be able to see the content that is being shared. So the title of the videos, who is it being sent to, the date of sharing it, how long is it valid up to. So in case a particular content is being shared for a limited time, so for instance if it's shared for revision purposes only till the time of the exams and it's gonna be removed later on, then you can specify the date so that we know how long is it valid up to. And we also have shared by to see which staff member or teacher has shared the video along with a brief description if required. Lastly, we have upload or share content where we have the list of all the videos or content that we have been sharing. So as you can see, we have this one example over here and we have two view modes under it. So currently we are in the card view and we can also view the list of the videos in the list view. So we have these two views. There's also an option to search the different sort of content by their name and also switch to different videos. So as we can see, we have the options here to download or delete the video. Plus we also have the option to click and select the file, and even if there is more than one file available over here, we can select multiple files, either delete them, generate a URL for them so that it's easier to share, or you can even click on the share option when we have these list of options where we get to determine the title, the date of sharing, and the valid up to date, which we already discussed about, a brief description. We also get to see the different files that we have selected, and over here we get to determine whom exactly are we directing the video or the content towards. So if we wish to share it to the students, the guardians, admin, teacher, etc., we have all of these different stakeholders. So we can decide whom we want to share the video to. So from here, if we select students, then all of the students that have been logged in on the ERP system will be visible over here. And if we wish to share it to one particular class, then we can select that class along with the section. So is it both of them or only one of them? We can choose that. Or even if we wish to share for one particular individual, such as one teacher or one student or anybody in the management, then we can select their name. From here, you can select the category, their name, and then just add it. And you can then use the send button in order to send it to them. Similarly, we have this upload option from where we can choose the content type and categories that we have already decided. Upload the file either from your file explorer, or if it's a YouTube video link, you can also mention that and save it so that it gets uploaded on the system.